Hi and welcome back to Find Your Magic. I'm Edward, one of the co-founders. It's a pleasure to have you here. I want to react to a quote I read on the internet last week, which was, "Bespoke transformational experiences are the future of travel. The world will become a playground." I absolutely love this quote for a variety of reasons. First of all, personally, that is exactly the experience I have when I'm out on my own doing a solo road trip, a solo quest, a solo adventure. I really feel the world as this playground, as this magical place to connect, to learn, to grow, to have these experiences that kind of come to us as we're out in the world and open. I also love it on a professional level because it's exactly what we're working with Find Your Magic retreats, to make them as immersive, playful, transformational as possible. To create these kind of spaces, whether it's a retreat or a bespoke adventure, a bespoke journey for someone, to create these containers that are playgrounds where you can remember and reconnect with the magic of the world, where you can remember the fact that life is an adventure and you can live as an adventure, whether it's just for that week, but ideally bringing those gifts back into your daily life and relearning how to live life as this magical adventure that it is. And this might sound fluffy and woo-woo and nonsense, and it only is when we live up here in our minds. And part of the journey is coming out of the mind and back into connection with our body, with our energy, with our power. Because when we're here, when we're really here, then we know, we experience, we see the incredible magic, the incredible playground that is life itself. So when we say bespoke transformational experiences are the future of travel, my heart goes, yes, this is what I want to see more of in the travel industry. I want to see experiences that are carefully created, that are safe, held, loving places for people to come home to themselves, for people to reconnect with what they love, with who they are, with what makes them come alive, allows them to connect with other people, new cultures, new ways of being, and allows them and us to find again who they are. That is what travel can do. The idea of bespoke transformational experiences means that we can create a journey, a retreat, a container, you could call it, designed specifically around an individual or a small group, around their needs, their requirements, where they're at in their life right now, what it is that they most need to learn, to grow, to reconnect with, to transform, and curate an immersive playground for them to do so. So I love the idea that this is the future of travel. This is definitely the future of Find Your Magic retreats. Let me know in the comments how this video resonates. If you have any questions, anything you want to add to the conversation, and have a beautiful day.